So what if your floor lamp could completely change the mood of your room, react to your music, and sync with your smart home, all from your phone? Meet the Govee RGBIC Uplighter floor lamp. Now this isn't just a lamp, it's a vibe machine, where users can actually enjoy three different features and usage according to their actual needs on one lamp. And today we're going deep into why this is the best lighting additions you can buy in 2025. Let's go! So right out of the box, the packaging feels premium. Here you get the main lamp base and upright pole, power adapter and user manual as well, and of course the RGBIC dome. The build quality is really good as well. It has a sleek matte black finish, metal stem, and a wide diffused head that screams modern design. Now this lamp packs some serious lighting power. You're getting RGBIC lighting for dynamic multicolor effects, 1000 lumen brightness at peak, 2700K to 6500K adjustable color temperature, and CRI 80 so colors look so natural. It also has 50,000 hour lifespan on the LED as well. I love that it has full app control and it works with Alexa, Google Home, and supports Matter for future-proof smart home integration. Now the setup is super easy, literally took a minute for me, and it uses the Govee Home app. Once paired via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, I could instantly control the brightness, temperature, and color effects. From cozy warm whites to vibrant party scenes. Now, for those of you who are not really so sure about colors, you could just pick a scene right here, change the movement as well, make it slow, medium, or fast. You can, whatever your mood you're in, they have it on the presets. Change the brightness as well if you want to. And it's super easy to do it all from the Govee app. I think the presets are pretty impressive, but the real magic is the custom DIY modes. You can literally paint different colors across the lamp's ring thanks to the RGBIC. As you could see here on the app, you can choose any of the parts of the rings here. I'm just showing the one that's closest to us so that you guys can see what's going on. And basically you pick any color on each section. You can change it to whatever you want. You can even change the brightness on each one, which is really nice because, you know, sometimes you just want it super colorful or you just want it simple. It's all up to you. And boom, mood transformed. It's like having a sunset and a nightclub on demand. Now I use this lamp in 3 different setups over the past week. One of them is the movie night mode. I've dimmed the warm whites and a 30% brightness on there, which gives the perfect cozy vibes during our movie nights. Now I also use this with my gaming setup with the full RGBIC and the fast color cycling. I was able to get the best colors during my gaming. And if you want to relax a little bit and you just want to read a book, for example, the crisp daylight at 5000K helped me to see what I'm reading. Now, it's not just about aesthetics. The light is diffused perfectly with no harsh glare, and you can rotate the head and aim it wherever you want. Now, if you hit more here, there's also the auto play. Basically, you can create one right here. You can name it whatever you want. Let's just say YouTube room. Call it like that. And then you can add images like this. You could take a photo or album. We're just gonna use one of our photos here. So you could see maybe a photo of a landscape, for example. There it is. You can use this image right here and hit the check mark up there. All good to go. And then you can use the playback order. There's also the sequence there or random. We'll just keep it at random right now. And then the playback, you can continue play last or lights off. We'll just keep it at loop right now. And then here on light effects, you can also add in a few things like so. Maybe ocean. And then there's the waterfall. Another one for festival, just change it up a bit. And then love. Emotion, maybe joyful. You can also add the things that you added on DIY and snapshot right there as well. We'll just hit the check mark right there and hit OK. So now when you hit OK on there, it'll say that the autoplay is compiled with cloud under Wi-Fi connection. Hit OK. And there it is. And as you could see here, it'll autoplay what we just put in on our phone. You can also use Alexa or Google Home and also Matter to use your voice to activate the autoplay. We've named it YouTube, so we just have to say to Alexa to turn on YouTube on our the name of the device, which is the Govee Uplighter, and it will automatically set your autoplay like so. Very nice. Now, some of the pros here is the insanely customizable RGBIC. I love how it works with Alexa, Google, and Matter as well. And if you want to customize freely here using AI, you can do that as well. Show me sunset.
I recommend a warm, radiant lighting effect that, okay, the recommended solution has been applied.
Awesome. Show me morning light with a little bit of purple.
I recommend a soft, diffused lighting effect with warm tones and, okay, the recommended solution has been applied.
That's beautiful. It's great because it's bright enough for real world usage with 1000 lumens. And the super sleek modern design is amazing as well, with the solid app support and gets a lot of updates. Now, some of the cons here is that it doesn't have any physical remote, so you'll have to rely on your phone to control it. But for me, I actually like just using my phone. The remote just ends up like getting lost, in my opinion. So for my usage, it doesn't really matter. But honestly, for a floor lamp that doubles as a smart decker, this thing over delivers. So, is the Govee Uplighter worth it? Now, if you want a powerful, customizable, and smart floor lamp that does way more than just, turn on, of course, absolutely. Now, it's not just lighting, it's lighting that lives with you. To be honest, out of 10, I'm giving a solid 9 because if you're building a smart home setup on your home and you love the ambient lighting, this belongs in your space. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that like button if you want more smart home reviews. Subscribe for full hands-on breakdowns as well. And let me know in the comments below, what room would you use this in first? Links are in the description as well, so go ahead and check that out. It does help on the channel a lot if you get it from there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace!